tool.
Hi, and welcome to my video, Cursive Writing for Lefties. Okay, so today we're going to work on cursive capital C and lowercase c. Now, if you've seen my other videos of A and B, you know that left-handed students have to tilt their paper. The right-hand corner comes down and the left-hand corner, or the left-hand side of the paper, goes up. You also want to hold the pencil between the index finger and the pointer finger and use the left thumb in order to stabilize so that you can move your pencil in various different ways. So, when we're writing our cursive letters, they have to have somewhat of a slant. That's the idea. Not a straight line, but a slant. So when you make your capital C, this is how I would start. You start at the top blue line and you make a little teardrop, curved. And then you slant around and stop at the middle line. So let's do that again. You start at the top, you slant a little teardrop, you meet back up at the top line, you curve down at a slant, down all the way down to the red line, and then you come up at that middle line again. Okay? So start at the blue line, make your teardrop. The teardrop doesn't have to touch the dotted blue line. But when you curve out, you would like to make it somewhat slanted. So you want to make your teardrop, curve up to the blue line, come down at an angle, curve down to your red line, and then stop at the middle dotted line. Now, cursive capital C is not too bad. It's not too hard. And the more you do it, the better you get. Now, small case c is also very easy. You start a little bit below the dotted middle line. You curve up to the dotted line, curve down to the red line, and you come back up. Easy. Start right a little bit below the dotted line, curve up to the dotted line, come back down and curve at the red line, and then stop at the middle line. So continue to practice. Continue to practice your capital C's and your lowercase c's. And just like the capital A's, the lowercase c's are half as large as the capital C's. Okay? So just to review, we have our capital A that we made last time. You have your lowercase a. You have your capital B. Lowercase b. And then you have your capital C and your lowercase c. So now we know 3 different letters, A, B, and C. So keep practicing and I'll see you on the next video.